Now, when we have created the virtual machine, it's time to download the CentOS operating system ISO. Let's go to Google, write CentOS, go to the web page, get CentOS now, or here, click. CentOS Linux DVD ISO, click for download and select one mirror. For example, I, like all the people, select the first. I prefer to select the last one because I hope this have less traffic. So I click and download is start. Press Ctrl J over Chrome to see the progress for the download. And you must wait when for the download finish. And let's imagine that the download is finished. Then let's go to the next part for this video. Once you have downloaded ISO file, move to a directory where you have your software. Like me, I move to this directory path. Now let's configure this ISO image on the CentOS virtual machine. Let's go to setup or configuration, select storage, select IDE controller, and now let's assign this ISO image. Select the path. Let me see, software, all operating system, Linux, and here we have. Click over CentOS ISO file, select, and the result here is that when we virtual machine is starting up or power on, instead to boot from empty device, this virtual machine will boot from this ISO file. Click on OK or click OK button. Then let's start our virtual machine. Click on Run button, in Spanish is iniciar, and let's see what happened. Here we have our virtual machine. Select with the direction keys. Select install CentOS Linux. You know that is selecting because it's in white color, the text. Okay, next step is to install the CentOS operating system over the virtual machine. Then click inside. Okay, select the install CentOS Linux option. It is highlighted by white color, text white color. Press enter, and the installation will start. Maybe this process take a long time, but I guess it is easy steps. By the way, remember, you have a host key. It means it's the key that get back the control to our Windows operating system. The host key in my case is right control key. Okay, here I will select. Oh, what happened with my mouse? Okay. Well, here I will select English, United States. It's okay. Let me put. I am pressing Control plus F in order to get the full screen, and I want to control my mouse only over this window. Okay, let's check. Okay, this is what I want. I want to get the control here in this window. Okay, let's select English, United States. Click on the continue button. Oh, come on. I have the same problem. Well, let's go. Let's do this with the control key. Press tab keys to move over continue button. Press enter. This is doing some check. Auto installation destination with tab control key. Let me check. Down 20 gigabytes. It's selected. Let's press down button. We can see it is highlighted. The down button in the blue. Press enter. Okay, now I have I can see that everything is okay for continuing with my installation. Okay. The begin installation button is highlighted by dotted lines. Maybe in your screen you can see, but I can see here. So I press begin installation. It is remembering the root password. Let me see. Okay, with tab button, when I press that button, the root password option is highlighted. So let me press enter. Root password, as the default root password is TOR T00R. Confirm. I'm going to press confirm. Tab button, to move the confirm text area, and I press again TOR, TOR, like root. The password is too short. I don't have problem. Shift. I press now. I'm going to press Shift, Tab, 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 and now down button. Blue button is highlighted. I will press down. Press down again to use the password. This is a warning alert. Okay, down. User creation. I move with the down key to select user creation. I will press enter. Full name Magento, because it's the user that will help us to install our Magento e-commerce platform. The password. Password must be Magento 001. Magento 001. I can't see. Okay. And now let's press Shift Tab Tab Shift Tab Shift Tab 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 until I press Shift key. Tab Tab. Here down is highlighted. Okay. Then I press enter. Press then again to use the password anyway, because the screen is telling me that I am using a weak password. Okay, now we only have to wait until the installation is finished. Okay, on the installation has finished, we must remove the device, optical device, remove disks from virtual device. Okay, force mount force and mount. Okay, now let's click over a boot button. Okay, then press tab. Now it's highlighted. Then I press enter key. Now my virtual machine is restarting. Let's wait. Okay, now here's our computer restarting, rebooting. I move with the keys and select the first option. Now since it's loading, we must to wait. Alright, here we have, I will press Ctrl plus F key, press enter. Here is asking me for a licensing. Okay, I have problems with my mouse. Let me check. Okay, with the keyboard. I press tab, so I select license information. Press enter, and then I accept spacebar, and then I press shift tab key to select down button, then press enter. Now I press tab, and now I click over finish configuration and press enter. Now the CentOS operating system is continuing loading, and here we have the screen, lock screen, and this will be our first login activity with Magento user. I press enter. I will write my password, Magento 001. Can you remember? and I press now singing it. Okay, sing here, like this. Okay, now we are in the main screen. Let's select the language. English is okay. English USA, maybe. I need to select Mexico. Latin American. Latin America. Yeah. Because I am in Mexico. Okay. And now I press for next. Press the location services on next. I select skip in this point. And you are ready to go. Starting using CentOS Linux. Press enter or click. Welcome videos. Okay, I press Alt plus F4 key, and that's all. Now we are ready with our CentOS operating system.